What did you do yesterday?
Mark went to the swimming pool yesterday. He went with his father and his sister Kathy. He can swim, but his sister cannot.
Donna was not happy yesterday afternoon. She hurt her arm on the slide at the park. The nurse took an X-ray.
Donna's brother Martin didn't go to the hospital. He went to the train station to meet his uncle Alan.
John went to the shops yesterday. First, he went to the book shop. Then, he went to the post office. He saw his friend Steve.
Kate went to the zoo with her friend Raquel yesterday. They saw lions, elephants, koalas, and monkeys. Kate gave a banana to a monkey.
Maria didn't go to the zoo yesterday. She went to the library. She likes to read. She took home 5 books.
Took or took?
Took 5 books.
Tom and Rob went to a basketball game.
Basketball?
Baseball game at the ballpark yesterday. The game was exciting. They ate hamburgers. They had fun.
Claire didn't go to the baseball game. She was sick. She was at home in bed all day yesterday. Poor Claire.
Mike was at the restaurant with his family yesterday. It was his birthday. He had a big cake and a lot of presents and cards.
Amy was at the beach with her grandparents. They ate ice cream and drank cola. They made sand castles. They played in the sea.
Amy's mother and father weren't at the beach yesterday. Her mother was at work in the hospital. Her father went to the office.